So now we want to plug our objects here, and let's change the objects here to say skulls. And we're going to plug the skulls into the object, right? Makes sense. We want to transform an object's output. So let's transform the skulls output. And let's put the XYZ on, and you can see that it's already adjusted their locations to 0 here. So I think what we need is a combine vector node. Let me just search for that. Or is it under vector here? Vector, combine vector node. And we're going to combine the vectors here. And where are we going to get them from? Well, we're going to see how index is blue here. Let's type blue into, hey, look it. So now the actual separation, the x value, is based on the vector of the index. Now that's not far enough apart, I don't think, right? We want to put text all around this thing, and we don't want it hovering on the x-axis like this. So let's go ahead and change that. And we're going to do Shift A with a math node, number math, and we're going to change it here to multiply, and you can see it's multiplied by 0. Let's multiply it by 25. And now look how far apart the skulls are. So let's just, and we can tinker with this at any time. For now, let's make it, 5 and keep them relatively close. All right, now that's the x-axis. I think we could even plug it into the y-axis, which will stagger them back like that. Probably don't want that. But what about the z-axis? Well, we stagger them up that way, right? I don't know that we want that based on the index. But let's just say, right, I don't mind them being straight along the x or lined up on the y, but let's get them up off the ground. So let's give this 25. That's too much. 5. Yeah, let's just put them up there. 5 for now. We have 4 floating skulls. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so that's how we can transform. And you can do what I just showed you any way you want. If you do want them staggered along different axes, that's great. And we're going to use this same principle as what you've seen here to place lights and to place text and to jazz this up with different information. We're going to put a logo. We're going to put a couple of logos. But so far, so good. Form, and if I render it and maybe put a sunlight in just to light it up, we have 4 shiny metallic skulls. Right on, right on.